Hello everybody, just received a magic package and I thought we can do an unboxing. So here we go. This package is from Henry Harrius. So first we have Tennis by Alex Ng. Next we have, this is the perfect champagne glass, and also the perfect water glass. I think we can take a look at these. This is the perfect water glass. You get some paper bags. And of course, you get the perfect water glass. We'll take a look at this later. Is there anything else in the box? Yes, there's the gimmick in the box, which I'm not going to show you. So this is the perfect water glass. It is plastic. It's not glass. Next, we have the perfect champagne bottle. Again, we have a few paper bags. And the perfect champagne glass. This is the perfect champagne glass. Oh, this is very nice. Looks exactly like glass. So, reviews of this coming up very soon. And next we have Tennis by Alex Ng and presented by Henry Harrius. Let's do an unboxing. This is what you get. Of course, the card has the instructional video, and this is what's inside. You get a tennis ball, and the other gimmicks are inside, which we will take a look in the full review. So at this time, this is what you will see. So if you have any questions regarding any of the products, please leave it in the comments below and I'll try to answer them.